Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can model this 3D part using this drawing. You can see, so we are continuing the series on Creo Parametric for beginners, and we have completed a sketcher and some 3D model. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you some basic drawing reading skill as well as some basic commands inside Creo Parametric like extrude, holes, some fillet command, and then a rip command. So without further ado, let's start with the new part, solid. Let's give it a name. I will use my own template, so uncheck and select my template. Let's switch on the planes. Now the basic reading skills in drawing is to see what the drawing is showing. So this obviously front view, top view, and the side view. You can start from anywhere, that's up to you. But for the simplicity, let's start with the front view. So let's go for front plane, extrude, and let's go for a rectangle like this. Give it a dimension 69. This one is 40. No worries, we can adjust it. So you can do one thing, you can select this one and this, make it coincident, and you can give this 50 dimension from here to here like this. That fully defines your sketch. We can add the circle as well in this 16 dia, and this distance is 18, this distance is 22. So now our sketch is fully defined. We can press OK, change it to standard orientation to C, and then give it a thickness of 10. Okay. Now after this, if you can see, we can do this profile from top view, and this coming on the bottom of this. So let's go for select this face, go for extrude. Okay, so what we need to do is go for sketch view, sorry, go for sketch placement, and then let's go for top. Yes, sketch. So now we can simply start by taking a projection. Let's project this edge close. After this, let's take a line, snap the end point, draw a profile like this. Take tangent arc, draw an arc like this. Now let's give the dimensions. So this one is 31, and apart from that we have this dimension, so this whole length, which can be calculated from here. We have already given 10, so this could be 78, and then this is coming from 38 dia, which is here, which makes the sketch fully defined. Let's go for OK, switch it to standard orientation. Now as you can see, we are going in the opposite direction. So what we can do is go for placement, edit, and then go for sketch, flip it. Now go for a sketch. All we need to do is do the opposite. So I'm gonna just delete some of these and then take the line again, do the same thing, arc like that. Let's define it quickly. 78, 38. Okay, change it to standard orientation. make it 10. So yeah, this is what I wanted. Go for OK. Now this 10 is coming from here, as you can see. After this, we need to create the third feature, and for that you can see this profile which is coming down like this one over here. So for that, let's select this face, go for extrude. Let's go for rectangle now. I'm gonna start from this corner and draw a rectangle like this. I will also draw arc, so from here to here. I will delete this middle portion, and then let's see how much this is. 75. So go for dimension from here till here. It is 75. Talking about the radius is 19, and this defines the sketch. Press OK. Change it to standard orientation. Now this is too much, so this distance is again 10. Let's go for 10. Okay. Now what we can do is we can create this two concentric circles on this, or you can do other filleting option is also there. So let's start with the circle first. Select this face, go for extrude, and then keeping the center same, I will just select here so that I get the center. I will take the same center and go OK. Standard orientation. Now this time we need to be careful because we have already given 10, and yeah, so this could be somewhere around 12 because we have to, and the other direction it can be 13. So this total it will come 25. Right. Okay. I think let's do an analysis and measure the distance from here till here. 25. Correct. So you should always use of analysis tool in case you are not sure what dimension you have created is correct or not. So this way you can be uh, sure that whatever you are doing is correct. Now we can do a simple hole of 16 dia for this circle. So let's go for hold command, select this face and press Ctrl and select the axis. Simple hole with dia 16, go for through all. Okay, it looks something like this. That's fine. Now we can start with some fillet. Okay, let's do one fillet. So one fillet we can do here, another fillet we can do here. Okay. Right. So for this one, let's go for round. Select this, give it 5, and for this one I can give 15. So it is coming from here, as you can see. Press OK. This is done. Standard orientation. Okay. Now let's do the rip command. Okay. it will come on the right plane. So let's go for rib, profile rib. So define the sketch on the right plane, sketch. Okay, let's go for a line from here somewhere, a line like this and this. Okay, let's cancel it. And tangent arc we can do from here to here. Okay, now let's define it. It's 25. The dimension from here to here is 10. There is one more fillet over here, but before that let's give these two distance of 10, and then let's go for a normal fillet and then give it a value of 25. So this completes the sketch. Press OK. Change it to standard orientation. Now the depth is somewhere around 10. Let's go for 10 mm, and it should go on both sides, so it's fine. Just press OK. If you want, you can unhide all the unnecessary things from here, and your model is ready. So this is how you can interpret drawings and create the sketch. Convert the drawing to 3D model inside Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. Feel free to comment down below in case if you have any doubts or queries. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.